How to use cloves to combat respiratory infections and bronchitis. Cloves are more than just a fragrant spice, they contain powerful compounds that support respiratory health. Known for their antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties, cloves can help alleviate respiratory issues such as coughs, bronchitis, sinusitis, and lung infections. Below, we explore 3 effective ways to use cloves to support lung health, their benefits, and precautions for safe use. 1. Clove and honey infusion for cough and phlegm relief. Ingredients: whole cloves 1 teaspoon of organic honey 1 cup of water. Preparation: bring the water to a boil. Add the cloves and let them simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to steep for an additional 2 minutes. Strain and stir in the honey before drinking. Consumption instructions: drink this infusion twice daily, preferably in the morning and before bedtime. If symptoms persist, increase the frequency to 3 times a day. Consult a doctor if the cough continues. Benefits: cough relief. Honey soothes throat irritation, while cloves act as natural expectorants. Phlegm reduction. Cloves help dissolve and expel mucus from the airways. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves contain compounds that fight bacteria and viruses. Immune boosting. Honey contains antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. Bronchitis support. This infusion may help reduce airway inflammation and congestion. 2. Clove and lemon syrup for bronchitis and sinusitis. Ingredients: 10 whole cloves 1 lemon, juiced, 1 cup of water 1 tablespoon of grated ginger 1 tablespoon of honey 1 bay leaf. Final thoughts. Cloves offer a natural, effective way to relieve respiratory conditions like bronchitis, sinusitis, and coughs. When used correctly, they can help reduce inflammation, improve breathing, and support lung health. However, it's essential to use cloves in moderation and seek medical advice for persistent or severe symptoms. By incorporating these simple remedies into your routine, you can harness the healing power of cloves for better respiratory health.